website, and we are trying to generate a report based on the location or region sales is coming from for this e-commerce brand. And at the same time, we are also sending notifications to the respective team members who will take these orders up and ensure that they are fulfilled. In this workflow, we have two sections. The first section is the analytics and report generation, which runs on each order. Whenever there is a new order at a particular point in time, uh, we generate a report and then send to the admin. Also, at the same time, send to team members on Discord so that those orders are going to be processed and delivered on time. Also, the second section, we categorize the orders coming in into two categories. The first category is high priority orders, and then the second category is low priority orders. When these orders come in, we have a criteria based on the kind of order it is, the price, and the customer data, which is we have customers here which are, let's say, top tier customers, and others which are new customers. We want to serve them, but also we prioritize existing customers more. So the criteria is to categorize those orders based on those criteria that the client has set for us. At the same time, making it easy for the team processing these orders to be able to get them delivered fast and also get updates on those orders. This workflow makes use of two data sources. The first data source is provided by an e-commerce service provider, which basically exposed an API where we can get orders and get updates on orders as they come in. So that those orders would be registered into the database, and whenever this workflow runs, the workflow would be able to get those orders per time and then process it into the workflow. The other source of data is our Airtable. On our Airtable, we have a table that consists of existing customers. So for the sake of transparency, I'm going to be sharing the Airtable data, but also using some test data to show that this works and actually, yeah, being processed. So I'm going to score the emails of the customers. So we have this Airtable table, which consists of customers, right? This is a database. This is a base on Airtable that is just to explain this workflow better. The live Airtable has a lot more records in it, and also it has a lot more data fields to it. We're using test emails, of course. So we have a table that contains customers with basic information about the customer. And this table is, like I said, a simple table that contains information about the customer. And whenever we are running the workflow, what it basically does is it gets the data from the third-party e-commerce service provider and tries to merge the two data together and categorize the orders, trying to match the orders based on customers, existing customers or new customers. So whenever that happens, we have the categorization based on priority 0 and priority 1 or higher. This helps to be able to, based on the specifications of the, to process orders generally faster by reducing time and improving efficiency, saving money also. If this was going to be done manually, it's going to take a lot of time and also a lot of manpower trying to get things done and all of that. This workflow saves them time, saves money, and saves energy. Yeah, so the first section, which is the report generation, categorizes the sales or the orders coming in based on the region. So the client wants to know when or where these customers are coming from or these orders are coming from. And based on the requirement, some regions are classified as higher priority than others. So he wants to be able to get those reports part time and whenever there is a new order. That is being sent. The report is being converted to a file and then attached to an email sent to the admin, and the admin receives the notification via email. At the same time, the team gets an update on Discord regarding the report based on region. The other part of the workflow is where we process the orders coming in based on all badges by badges. And we have 5 badges for each iteration. And according to the specification of the customer, we had to process orders in 5 badges each because of the uniqueness of the business and the kind of product he was going to be receiving or processing orders for. So I'm going to run this workflow, and when it's done, we have 2 outputs. The first output is email, and the second output is Discord. The email contains reports on each order, and the Discord message comes in 2 sets. The first set is also still the report, and then the second set is the batch categorization of the orders. And each order has priority 1 or priority 0. The email should have come already. I received that email here, see new orders, and then the attachment file attached to that email. So basically, this workflow was deployed for this particular e-commerce brand that specializes in collecting or taking orders for particular products, and they want to be able to have this implemented for their pipeline to save time, save money, and help improve the way they serve their customers better.